Hi guys, in this lecture we will see the use of insert. Insert is basically used for adding or inserting a new data into the table. Let's see what is the SQL syntax, and it is as follows. Now let's understand the structure of this SQL syntax. It is insert into, which basically tells the MySQL that we are inserting new data into one of the tables. It is followed by employees, which tells that we are inserting into table employees, followed by the round opening and closing bracket, and inside those two we have all the fields of the table employees, which is the employee ID, comma name, comma hourly pay, comma position, comma employee contact, followed by values, again opening and closing brackets, and inside that we have values corresponding to those fields. So 1 corresponds to the employee ID, David Chang corresponds to name, 9 corresponds to hourly pay, manager corresponds to the position, and this number corresponds to the employee contact. So when you run this SQL inside MySQL server, what it will do is it will create a new employee inside the employees table, and it will have the employee ID as 1, it will have the name as David Chang, it will have the hourly pay of 9, and whose position will be that of a manager, and whose contact number is this. Now let's see how that is done with the help of a MySQL interface. As you can see, I am again at localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now since we want to insert a new employee inside database super_market, we'll first select the database. Once that is done, I'll again click on SQL because we are running a SQL query, and I'll paste the insert query along with 2 to 3 more employees. So in total I'll be adding 4 employees here. The first is the one which we saw, and I've added 3 more employees insert. You can either insert them one at a time, or you can do all the 4 inserts together. So I've added all 4 here. Again they are separated by semicolon, so that tells MySQL basically where they end. Now go here and click on go. Once you do that, you can see that again the SQL query was run successfully by MySQL. Now when you click on employees, you can see that 4 employee details are present in the employees table now. The first is, as we saw, it has the employee ID 1, name David Chang, hourly pay of 9, position of a manager, and the employee contact as follows. The second one which I have added is the employee ID 2, third is the employee ID 3, fourth is the employee ID 4. So the fifth one which we'll be adding will be obviously employee ID 5. Here you can see they have like different names and different hourly pay, different positions, different employee contacts. So this is how we add details into the table once the table is created. I hope insert is clear to you now. Thank you. Hi guys, in this lecture we will see the use of select. Now suppose you want to see all the employees you have added in the employees table, and that is where select comes into picture. Select is like reading or going through all the data present in a table or tables. The syntax for it is select star from employees. Now let's understand the structure here. Select tells MySQL server that we want to see the data present in one of the tables. Star tells we want to see all the fields of that table, and from employees tells that we want to see all the details, that is all the fields from table employees. Now let's see how we can do that through MySQL interface. So as you would have expected, I'm again at localhost at port 8080/phpMyAdmin. Now in order to run select, we'll first select the database inside which we want to run SQL query. So after we click on super_market, I'll click on the tab SQL. I'll paste the select star from employees. Go to the right and click on go. Once you do that, here you can see that the MySQL has fetched all the 4 employee details from the employees table here for you. So this is how you can see data present in any of the tables which are present inside any database. Thank you.